What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today I want to talk about an email I got from one of our white label partners, and this person will know who they are. I don't want to out them, but I got an email from them, and they said that the client that we're working on for them, just got a $30,000 job in the door from our PPC efforts. So put a giant smile on my face. This client is in the water damage, mold remediation style niche, and a $30,000 job is a big job in that space. And the client was thrilled, and the partner was thrilled, and everyone was thrilled, and it put a giant smile on my face. And it makes it worth it when you get emails like that to hear about clients doing well. So I just want to pass that information along and just show that the work you do as a marketer actually has real impact on people's lives in their day-to-day lives, whether it be directly with that business owner taking in that more revenue, or the employees that that company pays for, or the restaurant that that person goes on their lunch break on that job. Like everything we do has knock-on effects into your community, whether it's through people paying bills, or going out to restaurants and spending more money, or making car payments, or whatever it is. It's just nice to see that what we do has an impact. So I just want to share that with you guys today. Just a quick video. I hope everything is good in your world. My name's Ed. I'm one of the co-founders here at ClicksGeek. We're a Google Ads Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead generation. So if you need anything, just hit us up. We also offer white label services. And if you look below, we've got tons of courses on, not tons, we've got a handful of courses on how to manage or how to build and manage Google ad campaigns, how to build landing pages, how to get marketing clients if that's what you're after. So check out the link below. Have a great day and keep up the good fight. Bye.